Greetings fellow learners and welcome to the ALANA Project LEARNER Series. Here we empower newcomers with the fundamentals of Web3 and dedicated community knowledge. Welcome to a tutorial that will allow you to access your exclusive ALANAmagazine digital content hosted on the Optimism Blockchain. Together, let's discover the seamless process of unlocking hidden treasures within your NFT edition, empowering you to explore the innovative convergence of technology and creativity firsthand. So, let's get started. First, of course, purchase the magazine. You can get your magazine by visiting the official ALANAmagazine mobile-friendly website via the ALANA Project XYZ website. On here, navigate a little bit lower to ALANAmagazine, which brings up a sub-website just for everything around the ALANAmagazine. On here, you can choose between the digital-only copy or the phygital one. Both versions include the digital PDF version of ALANAmagazine as well as additional 3D files. The phygital option comes additionally with a physical copy of the magazine. If you select that option, please make sure to send us all your details via the form linked on there as well. After making your choice, a checkout experience will pop up, which is powered by our partner Unlock protocol and should be fairly easy. If you encounter any issues, please make sure to contact us. We will be able to help you. After your purchase with a cryptocurrency or traditional currency of your choice has been confirmed, you can head over to our partner's website, darkblock.io, and connect your wallet to the Optimism Blockchain. Navigate to My NFTs tab and locate your edition of ALANAmagazine. Click on it to reveal hidden content. Then click on Authenticate to verify your ownership. Once authenticated, you are able to download your files. Please note that the PDF file may take a moment or minute to download based on your internet speed and connectivity, since the file is stored in a high resolution. Enjoy!